Let's see if a master cylinder fixes Dad's brake problems. Coming up next. Alright guys, we're going to try putting the master cylinder on Dad's car first, see if that fixes everything. I know it needs pads and everything, but we're going to go ahead and do that right quick. We're going to take it out here. We're actually going to bleed it a little different than bench bleeding it. We're actually going to bleed it with the car pedal, but we're going to use the tubes to mimic bench bleeding it, but do it in the car so we don't wear ourselves out. Got that on there that tight.
Well, you're going under that line, it was. Do what? Know what we got.
Alright, Dad's bolting it on right now. We're going to just run the lines up and just pump it with the pedal and bleed it out. There's a gear wrench here, probably make it easier. It don't need to be that tight. Or that's ratchet wherever it went. Alright, so we got it full of fluid, and Dad's gonna start pumping right now. Alright, so we got clear fluid except for some little minuscule bubbles that will settle down. So now we can hook the lines back up to it and see what this thing does. Alright. Let me get the back out. Screw that. It's in. Alright. That's in. We're gonna wipe our hands off and start it up and see what she does after we clean these tools up. Yep, fire it. It should crank over. I started after this one. Huh? No pedal?
Full pedal.
Oh, full pedal? What about lights? No lights? No. Let's put it down and see what it does here. I don't know if there's any fluid in it. Let's see what she does with drive down your road. Seems pretty good, don't it?
Yeah, yeah, a lot better than what I do. And that's, of course, them backwards are catching more. Check that.
Yeah.
Backwards catching more where it ain't got no pads on front.
Yeah, them cylinders are leaking a little bit in the back too.
Clear. Oh, once we get pad stuff on it.
Yeah, it should be real good.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Alright, that fixed it, guys. Now we're going to take this top and try to clean some of this junk off of it right quick. And we'll worry about the rest of them here in a day or two. But we'll put pads on it next. But that actually fixed it, so was a master cylinder. Like I said, we're going to try to get all this old vinyl off this best we can. So maybe look at it a little better, even though we've still got all this to fix. But
Less work for the body shop to do.
yeah, less work for the body shop today. All right, we pulled all this trim off here. You can see these vinyl tops, they got studs that hold them, and the little screw right here is on one. You can see what they do to a car. It's why I want to always just take them off. What I'm trying is acetone, and I'm trying the old lay a garbage bag on it trick, let it soak for just a few minutes, see if it pulls it off. Apparently that makes it more concentrated. Not sure. Yeah, these guys will have to actually take the trim off on the inside. We probably won't worry about them for now. See if that works any.
Doing better?
Look at that. Yeah. Bringing the paint a little bit too, though.
Huh?
Bringing the paint a little bit too.
Probably should have used paint thinner instead of that.
That should be less solvent than the paint thinner.
No, paint thinner just for thinning paint. Well, yeah. It don't matter.
Alright, no matter. We're going to prime it anyway. So yeah, it's working good. It's just bringing the paint too. Yeah. We got to prime it anyway, just for now, till we get the car painted. So we'll do that. Alright guys, that's what we got. It looks a little better. Really the best thing with bringing it off was just doing acetone in the bag trick, but it's bringing it down to primer because this paint is just gone. I mean, there's like no clear left to it whatsoever. It's actually making it shine better in places than it was with that on it, but you can see right here, it just brought it down to primer. We're going to have to prime it anyway enough to hold it till we can get it painted. So, you know, but got a lot of the big mess off, got a little bit more left to do. And then all this over here is a big old, you know, it is what it is. Anyway, the car's got to be painted, you know, so don't know when we'll get on that. We gotta get somebody to do it. Like I said, I'm not gonna try these myself, these cars. Something I don't wanna, I'm not painted in many years, probably since I was in high school, so I'm real out of practice and I don't wanna do that on a car. And like I said, I've never welded, just done some paint work, body work, stuff like that. But it's been 25 years, so I don't wanna try it on these cars that we're gonna keep forever. We'll try it on something like that Subaru or that Ranger that, you know, if we mess up a little bit, you know, it's a $2,000 car, not something we're gonna have all this money sunk into. So we're gonna get somebody to outsource these. But anyway, that fixed the master cylinder, fixed the brakes. Like I said, we still got to put pads and stuff on it, and we'll get it up in the air. We just didn't have time today. I had to go over to town and come back, so I didn't get all what I do. I never get what I'm going to do. I always got pressing events that pop up. Master cylinder stops the car. It stops like it's on a dime. It's just the pads are wore out now, but it's got a better pedal feel than my car does. So pretty pleased with it. That's good. Master cylinder's $30 or something like that for this car versus $300 to get the booster rebuilt and all that, or maybe trying to retrofit something from another car in here and hoping it worked. So that's really good. So getting this one, we're getting it right along. We get the brakes on it, get the oil changed in it, and maybe a fuel filter. We're probably going to take it to Somerset to one of the summer nights. We might take both of them. I don't know. I'll have to ask him. You know, it's his car. Even though I bought it for him, it's his car. So I run everything I do by him. Sometimes that's surprising, but most stuff I just like, it's yours. So, but real pleased with it, the way everything come out. So anyway, that's the video for the night. So we got, put it up on the lift. We got these jacks ready to go, keep us safe when we do it. So been kind of, I'm scared of a lift. I've never really used one of my own. So just people that's had them and use them every day, you know, type stuff. So scared of them a little bit, but you know, gotta take that risk. So I'm gonna do that. But that's the video for the night. I appreciate you guys watching. Like I mentioned in the earlier video, when this is filmed, we were 300 subscribers. Thank you, everybody. Everybody, thank you. We are getting there. Hopefully we'll get to 500 where we can start putting stuff on the marketplace there, put the merch on there, and then we get the big monetization, 1,000. Start making a little money at this. And all this is just because you guys watch it and subscribe to it. It doesn't cost you anything. So I appreciate you guys that do, and the ones that you haven't, if you would, please just hit that subscribe button, like it, share it, tell everybody to watch it. And we can keep growing. We can get where we can actually start making a little bit of profit just from you guys watching it, that do watch it. And when we start making profit, that's more we can do out here. Because right now I'm doing almost everything out of my pocket. So the more we can get out here, the better we can do. So, but until then, like I said, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Do me a favor too. Go rig something up.